Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the one more concept that was remaining of the chapter 8, that is Right on Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, and explain the organization and working of SEBI. Now, the Securities Exchange Commission in America serves as a watchdog over the stock market in USA. Okay, so जो Securities Exchange Commission जो है in America, okay, it keeps a watch on the stock market in USA. So in India there was a need to control. Okay, so here considering the stock market development in India, the government of India decided to set up a controlling authority, that is SEBI, or Securities Exchange Board of India, that was established in the year April 1988. Okay, now organization of SEBI. The SEBI has 5 department. Okay, first department is primary market department. Now यहाँ पे क्या होगा, the primary market department deals with the policy matters and regulatory issue of primary market and the market intermediaries and the redressal of the investor grievance. Okay, so first thing is what? It is a primary market department. Okay, it is a primary department market. Okay, it will deal with policy matters and regulatory issue of the primary market and the market intermediaries and the redressal investors grievance. Okay, second department is the issue management intermediary department. Now here it will look after the issue management intermediary department will look after the vetting of the offer documents. Okay, जो offer मतलब जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, रेगुलेशन है, मॉनिटरिंग है, दिस इंटरमीडिएटरी विल लुक. ओके, सो हियर द इशू मैनेजमेंट इंटरमीडिएटरीज डिपार्टमेंट्स लुक आफ्टर vetting of the offer documents, registrations, regulations and monitoring of the issue related to intermediaries. This is the second part of the what you call SEBI. Third part is secondary market department. First is primary market department. Sorry. Second one is issue management intermediary department. Third one is secondary market department. Now this secondary market department is entrusted with the policy matters and regulatory issue of the secondary market. Markets such as price monitoring, insider trading, curb trading. Okay, ये सब क्या करेंगे वो लोग regulate करेंगे. Now these are very dangerous for the stock market. Okay, they are like a devils in the securities market, that is price monitoring, insider trading and curb trading. Okay, so it looks after the administration of the major stock exchange and all other related things. Okay, fourth one is institutional investment department. Okay, now institutional investment department क्या करेगा? It will frame policies for foreign institutional investors, that is FIIs and mutual fund. It also looks after mergers and acquisition. Last one is advisory committee. Now this advisory committee, what they will do, it will provide advisory inputs in framing policies, regulations for primary and secondary market. Okay, ये हो गया 5 departments. Those are primary market department, issue management department, intermediary department, secondary market department, institutional investment department, advisory committee. Okay, next is working of SEBI. Now the important working can be of SEBI is described as follows. First one is regulatory. So it includes the following. Okay, that is registration of brokers and sub brokers and other players in the market such as share transfer agent, bankers to an issue, trustee of trust deed, registrar to an issue, merchant bankers, underwriters, portfolio managers and investment advisors. Okay, this is the first one. Second is registration and regulation of collective investment scheme and mutual funds. Third is regulation of stock exchange and other self-regulatory organization. Fourth is provident for fraudulent and unfair trade practices relating to securities market. Control insider trading and takeover bids and impose penalties for such practices. Okay, ये हो गया regulatory. Second one is development. Okay, SEBI has to perform certain securities market. They are they are promoting investors education and training of intentionalists in the securities market, promotion of fair practices and code of conduct of self-regulatory organization, conducting research and publishing information useful to all market participants. सो यहाँ पे फंक्शंस कैसे कौन से हैं, वर्किंग क्या है सेबी का, फर्स्ट इज रेगुलेटरी एंड सेकंड फंक्शन इज डेवलपमेंट. रेगुलेटरी में क्या करेगा, रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ब्रोकर्स, ओके, ब्रोकर्स का रजिस्ट्रेशन, जो सब ब्रोकर्स है एंड अदर प्लेयर्स विच आर देयर इन द मार्केट, ओके, सच एज शेयर ट्रांसफर एजेंट्स, bankers to an issue, trustee of trust deed, registrar to an issue, merchant bankers, underwriters, portfolio managers and investment advisor. इन सबका रेगुलेशन करना, that is the first function of the SEBI. Okay, second is registration and regulation of collective investment scheme and mutual fund. Okay, this is the second. थर्ड वन इज रेगुलेशन ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एंड अदर सेल्फ रेगुलेटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. फोर्थ क्या है, जो यहाँ पे सेकंड क्या करेगा, इट विल रेगुलेट एंड रजिस्टर द कलेक्टिव इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम एंड म्यूचुअल फंड्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रेगुलेशन ऑफ स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एंड अदर सेल्फ रेगुलेटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट इज प्रिवेंट फ्रॉडुलेंट एंड अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस रिलेटिंग टू सिक्योरिटीज मार्केट. Okay, next is control insider trading and takeover bids, impose penalties for such practices. Okay, ये हो गया रेगुलेटरी फंक्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डेवलपमेंट फंक्शन. डेवलपमेंट का भी फंक्शन दे हैव टू परफॉर्म, दैट इज प्रमोटर इन्वेस्टर एजुकेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग ऑफ द इंटरमीडिएटरीज इन द सिक्योरिटीज मार्केट. एजुकेशन भी देना है एंड इंटरमीडिएटरीज जो है उनको ट्रेनिंग भी देना है, दैट इज द फर्स्ट डेवलपमेंट function. Second is promotion of fair trade practices and code of conduct of the self regulatory organization. Okay, थर्ड वन इज मतलब जो प्रैक्टिस है, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस अच्छे से फॉलो कर रहे हैं या नहीं, दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, दैट इज फेयर प्रैक्टिस, मतलब इट शुड बी स्मूथ रनिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट इज कंडक्टिंग रिसर्च एंड पब्लिशिंग इंफॉर्मेशन यूजफुल टू द मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट. जो मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनको इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए ना, डेटा चाहिए. जैसे आप लोग एग्जाम आंसर करते हो, आपके लिए कुछ तो नोट्स चाहिए, वैसे ही दर इंफॉर्मेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो दैट रिसर्च एंड पब्लिशिंग इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी डन. So SEBI seeks to create an environment which would facilitate mobilization of adequate resources through the securities market and its efficient allocation and its efficient development also. SEBI plays an important role as a controlling authority and the development institution. So SEBI performs various functions to achieve its objectives. Okay, so ये हो गए SEBI के what you call functions. Okay, so in this class, in this chapter what we have learned, that is first thing which we have learned is functions of Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. SEBI का फर्स्ट क्या सीखा हम लोगों ने, क्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉपर एंड कंडक्टिव एटमोसफियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इन्वेस्टर एजुकेशन, क्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टमेंट क्लाइमेट, making of effective laws, then creation of framework, development of proper infrastructure, authoritative institution, establishment of effective inspection machinery, prohibition of malpractices. Then what are the powers of SEBI? SEBI के क्या क्या powers है? Power to make regulation, government power to SEBI, power of recognition of stock exchanges, power to make or amend rules, power to call for information, power for penalizing, power to issue directions, power to file complaints. Okay, then next we have seen the Provident Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, that is PFRDA. that is organization of PFRDA हम लोगों ने देखा, establishment देखा and working and functions of PFRDA. Then we have seen Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, that is IRDA. उसके बारे में हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ IRDA and working of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, that is IRDA. Then we have seen Securities Exchange Board का establishment and management, establishment देखा and management देखा. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या देखा, प्राइमरी मार्केट डिपार्टमेंट, इश्यू मैनेजमेंट इंटरमीडिएटरी डिपार्टमेंट, सेकेंडरी मार्केट डिपार्टमेंट, इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स डिपार्टमेंट, एडवाइजरी कमिटी. Then we have seen working of SEBI, that is regulatory and developmental. So these are the things which we have learned in this chapter.